welcome you all with my practical video series, video 8 for database management. You can see the question 8 here. To facilitate the business of Max Mobile, the owner of the mobile phone company uses a computer software which uses the following table to store the data in that computer software. Answer the questions asked in this table. You can see the details of the customer and the data I have entered to the product table. And let's see the questions. Create a database named mshop to save data in mobile phone shop. So first of all, I have to create a database called mshop, and I have to create two tables named customer and product. These are the columns and data types and the length of the characters that I have to use for creating the customer table, and here is the data for creating product table. And in this third sub question, it said that I have to add data graphical to the tables that I have created. Let's see how I create the database and created the two tables, and also entering this data graphically to these two tables. For creating this mshop and also these two tables, I use here also
creating the database
HeidiSQL software here.
And here I'm going to create the customer table here first and entering data, entering the column names to these, and this is how I create the customer table. And I have made cus_id as the primary key here. And then I'm going to create the product table and enter in the column names, and I'm making this pro_id as the primary key of this table and entering other column names and the data types, then saving it. Then you can see how the product table is also has been created. Then I'm going to add the details to the customer table and also to the product table, and let's see how I add details graphically to these two tables.
Then in the next sub question, it said that I have to find all customers by using a query. So I'm going to execute the query by typing it here. And here I'm entering the query as select all from customer. So then I'm going to execute it. I can search here by using this query all the details of all the customers in the customer table. So then again it said that in next sub question I have to find all the details of the all products. So I'm going to search here, select all from product, and then again executing it. We can gain all the details of all the products by using this query. And again in the next question, let's see what's next. Find the details of the customer whose ID is cus003. So I'm going to find the details of the customer. Here select all from customer, where cus_id equals cus 003. Let's see whether it's 003 or not. Yes, 003. So I'm executing this here, and here I have gained all the details of the customer whose cus_id equals to this. So this is how I have answered for the question 8, and thank you for watching this video. Let's meet with the next video soon.